Ladies and gentlemen, this is the opposition whip debating on the motion. This House would significantly increase restrictions on elective surgery. Now, I will first refute the points made by the government, then defend and extend on our two main arguments. The government's first point was that there are many side effects to health, and they gave us an example of many people losing their sights, an entertainer dying. However, ladies and gentlemen, the important thing that we have to focus in this category is that people, before they are into an elective surgery, they get this paper that there might be dangers that is related to this elective surgery. And people who have agreed, like risking their life, people have agreed risking their lives to get pretty. So we cannot say that this is a problem due to the elective surgery, but this was done under the people's agreements. The second problem that they have mentioned is that about social sensations. Ladies and gentlemen, the government failed to relate the topic to the problems that they have mentioned. They have mentioned a lot of problems, calling big people not teasing them, or maybe all people looking the same. However, we acknowledge, we think that this is also a problem, but the government has never gave us a reason that by restricting these elective surgery can solve all of these problems. In addition, they have mentioned that about in 84% these people look at beauty. Like I said before, it has no relations about restricting elective surgery and how to fix these problems. In addition, they have made two logical fallacies in their reasoning about people looking all the same. The first logical fallacy that they have made is hasty generalization. Just because under the term cosmetic surgery doesn't make all of them look the same, ladies and gentlemen. In addition, the second logical fallacy that they have made is slippery slope. Because they have mentioned that not all people in today's world do not care about their inner beauty, but only care about their outer beauty. Just because 2 to 3 people just maybe have cosmetic surgeries a lot, doesn't mean that all people who have cosmetic surgery doesn't think of their inner beauties at all. Furthermore, they have mentioned about smoking. However, ladies and gentlemen, smoking hurts others. Other people who is near a person who smokes, by breathing in the smokes, they can have cancer. However, for cosmetic surgeries, like I said before, it is done under their own agreements. Moreover, cigarettes can be restricted in making places as non-smoking places. However, in this cosmetic surgery, where in the Korean society, outward facial features are really important. You cannot solve this social mood by just restricting and not allowing people to have cosmetic surgery, which is banning the basic human nature to be pretty, ladies and gentlemen. They have also mentioned that in the past, we have not cut our hairs to be thankful to our parents for giving us this great body. However, ladies and gentlemen, today is the 21st century, not the Joseon dynasty. In addition, time has gone. And in the 21st century, human resource is really important. And thus, it cannot be a right comparison. Now, for the remaining times, I will furthermore explain our two contentions. Our first contention is that Korea is a democratic society. In a democratic society, people are guaranteed their rights and their freedoms to do something. However, if we were to ban a right that we are allowed to choose what we want to do, and ban a basic human nature to be pretty, the country cannot fit in the category of a democratic country, ladies and gentlemen. Our second contention was about confidence. Our leader of opposition has mentioned that about 70% of companies look at their facial structures in interviews. In order to survive in this competition of their facial structures, people will eventually have to have cosmetic surgery to get confidence and to win the race. Lastly, I want to mention this, ladies and gentlemen. They have given us an example of an entertainer who has lost their sight. However, if we go back to the first definition debate, they have chosen to define as elective surgery as people under age 19. However, this entertainer does not fit in the definition category of themselves. In addition, they have mentioned, according to their logic, it becomes okay to have cosmetic surgery after 19. Then, these problems will still occur, thus being ineffective. Therefore, we believe that the opposition has won the debate. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.